Before you get started with the Illustrator CC Masterclass, I wanted to mention that in the CC 2018 update, a new panel has been introduced called Properties. Now, because of this, you also have a new workspace option. Instead of Essentials, we have now Essentials Classic and Essentials separately. I wanted to make sure that I show you this here at the beginning because most of the videos in this course will be recorded with the CC 2017 version of this application, and in that one you would most of the time see all the options here on the top, which we call the options bar. Now, if you don't see this using CC 2018, that is because by default you start with the Essentials workspace, which doesn't show the control panel or options bar. Now, if you want to see that, don't worry, because you can just simply go to the window menu and choose Control. So once you enable that, you will see these options up here. And you will be able to use the Properties panel as well, although they serve pretty much the same purpose. So the options that you can find up here, you will find here on the right as well. Any further differences between CC 2018 and the older versions, I will explain throughout the chapters in the course.